I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really cute bug catcher set. This is a great little STEM activity because it has so many different ways to look at and measure and catch little critters outside and be able to observe all sorts of things around them. Now it has a little cage that you can put it in. It's all a nice little mesh area here, so that way it's breathable. And on the outside of the cage, you actually have two different areas that you can look through on a magnet that is a double-sided magnet, so you can put your little critters in there. It does have a little carrying handle right here, so you can be able to adjust this and put it on there. That way the kids can actually carry it with them. Now it also comes with a little container here that you can put your bug in. Magnifying glass on this as well to be able to look inside there. You have a little scissors, but if you wanted to pick up a bug, we'll pretend like that's a bug. You can pick up your bug and then easily put it down into the areas that you want to. Now you also get a net. So if you want to go out and catch some butterflies, the net does pull completely out. That way you can catch your little flying insects. That part's really neat. Got my son over here looking through the magnifying glass, which is really neat because it actually has all sorts of little critters on the picture here. And you have a compass. You also have a little ruler for your worms. Now all of these fit right on this nice little clip right here that you can put your ring through. And then you could just hook it onto this and keep it all together. So that way when your little explorer is out, they have everything nice together for them. So I'm gonna get this all together and we're gonna actually lift up this rock and see if we can catch a critter. So I've caught a tiny little bitty worm in here and we're gonna go through and try to get the rest of them. But here, we've actually got this magnifying glass that we can put on top of here. And you can look down in this magnifying glass and see the little fella. He's a tiny little bitty guy that we just barely saw in the dirt. And then we've got another one over here. Oh, there's a bigger guy.
Oh my God. He looks so cool. What a teleporter.
So you could use that. And then if you wanted to see how big he was, you could even put him out on this nice little ruler here, just to be able to measure the different sizes of critters that you find outside. So this is a neat little set that you can have for all sorts of ages of kids to learn about outdoor little critters, observe them, check them out, and then you can always catch and release.